U.S. on full alert, joint combat drills. U.S. B-52 bombers returned to Guam full of Cope North aircraft. 4 B-52 bombers and more than 220 airmen recently arrived in Guam, joining the thousands of U.S., Japanese and Australian troops already on the island for the annual Cope North exercise. The Stratofortress bomber and aviator, assigned to the 96th Expeditionary Bomb Squadron at Barksdale Air Force Base, LA, arrived at Andersen Air Force Base, the Air Force said in a news release Wednesday. B-52 enters an airbase already full of aircraft and personnel for Cope North. About 2,500 members of the U.S. military trained in drills through Friday, with another 1,000 personnel from the Japan Air Self-Defense Force and the Australian Air Force during the exercises, according to the Air Force. About 130 aircraft involved operate at Andersen, the islands of Rota, Saipan and Tinian in the Northern Marian Islands, Palau and the Federated States of Micronesia. Training is focused on disaster relief and aerial combat.
Incredible. So Colonel Goodwin and your team has done phenomenal.
The inclusion of 4 B-52s, which the Air Force says are there to train with other U.S. forces and allies, underscores Guam's growing strategic importance as the U.S. grapples with an emerging and assertive China. As the closest U.S. territory to the contested South China Sea, Guam is seen by the Pentagon as a strategic hub for projecting power in the region.